Are you frustrated because you don't have a good handle on your finances, or you don't really receive a good reporting system at the end of each month, that report card that you should be having to make sure that you are being as profitable as possible and that your finances are in order? Well, if you feel that way, let me tell you, first of all, you are not alone. Many people are in the same situation as you. Well, I have a solution for you. Dory Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, and I want to introduce you to a brand new program we are offering called Financial Management and Reporting Program. Because you see, when I start working with new clients, the one thing I find often that's a total mess is their finances. They don't receive P&L statements, they don't have good reporting systems in place, they don't know exactly what to measure, they're not finding out what their true ratios are. So it's like the wild, wild west sometimes. And if you are serious about growing a successful business, you need to have a handle on your finances. And that's why I want to help you. And I want to help many of our members that are part of the Inspiration Management community. So this program is going to be amazing. So imagine at the end of each month, or by the first week of the next month, you have an entire folder that has in it all the financials that you need to be monitoring, and you don't have to do a thing. It's all done for you. All we would need is access to your QuickBooks and your software system, and at the end of each month we will take your numbers and create these reports for you to give you your financial reports. It's going to be an amazing program. I'm so excited to actually provide you with that service because it's something that is so needed. So I seeked high and low one of the best financial people to join our team and to actually take on that task. So I want to invite you to go to inspirationmanagement.com and check out this new program that we're offering. It is a monthly membership, and it's all based on just doing your finances. Now, if you're already a titanium, platinum, or a bronze member, you're going to get a better price on this because you're already a member. And if you're not and you solely want just us to do your financials, we are doing a bonus for you to join us now. What I'm doing for you is actually giving you the spa budget, because we need to do your budget so we can do your monthly program. So instead of you purchasing this, we are going to do it for you and give it to you, give you your budget for next year, so you can start tracking your performance, actual versus budget, on monthly basis. Here's the fact. The reason you want to do this is, for some reason in the future, you want to sell your business or you want to grow your business. You gotta have your financial ducks in a row. Because if you don't have those, then it makes it that much more difficult to borrow money to expand, or should you ever sell the business. So it's very important to have these financial systems in place so you can continue to grow your business and see where the missed opportunities are. So I want to encourage you to go check it out. Set up an appointment with one of my team members. We can do a little financial assessment, see where you are now, and then we can make the recommendation as to which program would be best for you. Sounds good? So make sure you count your numbers, and instead of saying cross the T's and dot the I's, let's count the numbers to make sure we're as profitable as possible. And by the way, I'm doing a webinar. If you'd like to learn a little bit more, I would invite you to go and watch the webinar so you can actually gain a nice overview of what you should really be looking for as far as your financial health. Hope you found this beneficial. I look forward to helping you. Until next time, stay inspired.